We reached the bar, a protected natural area. We respected its boundaries, choosing observation over entry, and learning that real adventure also means knowing when not to cross the line. Night in Rigagen were quiet, calm, and unforgettable. Under a sky full of stars, legends and stories felt closer, and the desert showed in a peaceful sight. In later episodes, vehicle became stuck in the soft sand. Recoveries were slow, patient, and done together. Shovels instead of the tow ropes. Communication instead of panic. Every recovery made the group stronger.